Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Josh with iJobs, and today I'm at our day one of our demolition of our pool deck project. Today we're in West Bloomfield Hills, right off of Orchard Lake. And today the majority of the work that we did was the demolition, so getting rid of the concrete, getting rid of anything that was in the area where the pavers are going to go in place. So for this pool deck, we're going to be installing our famous Beacon Hill. We're going to be using the fossil colorways. As you can't see, you may or may not be able to see, but there's a lot of brown and tan textures at this job site. So we kind of want to have a uniform look that's not too far off. So we decided away from the granite colorway and decided to use the fossil. For the retaining walls, we're going to be using U-Cara that we always use. It's going to look super nice. So this is a really nice outdoor living space. We've been working a lot around pool decks. If you watched our last YouTube video, you'll see one of the time lapses that we made showing us installing the Beacon Hill around the pool deck. So this is going to be a super nice space. It's going to have lights leading into these stairs and an upper area for an outdoor kitchen that's already there. And the homeowner's having a party pretty soon, so they're really excited about having a space to impress their friends, impress themselves, and of course increase the value of their home. So for this project, we're going to be installing new pavers, new retaining walls, new planter beds, and giving it a complete facelift. Hopefully we can get the homeowner to do some new coping for the pool because it's pretty much in bad condition, but we're really excited about this project, and it's going to look super nice. So enjoy this video, and if you're enjoying the content that we're putting on our channel, hey, do us a huge favor today: like, comment, and subscribe. We're bringing you guys lots of videos. And if you're a homeowner, if you're looking to work with iJobs, the best individuals who build the best outdoor living spaces in Michigan, hey, give us a call today, 248-302-9175. We can't wait to work with you. Thanks.